we can also break it down further. So let's create a new folder, controller, and create a new folder inside our task controller.js. Import our task model, copy that, and create a function equals to, go to route.js file and let's cut to the async function and paste it. Remove the bracket. After that we need to export our module. So module.export, and we export our create task. After that import const create task require slash controller slash task controller, and in our create route we mention our create task and close it. Save the file, and we can also do this with our get router. So cut it to the async function, go to task controller, get task equals to, and paste all the code. Remove the bracket, remove the parentheses, and also export our get task. Import that in our route, comma get task, and in our get router mention our get task. Now save the file, go to Postman and test our API. So everything is working fine. We print all our tasks. So I will see you in the next video.